In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to export social media reports in seconds, so you can get the data you need fast without wasting any time. If you've ever felt frustrated trying to gather your social media metrics, stick around. I'm going to walk you through a simple, efficient method to get it done. Let's dive right in. The first thing you'll want to do is open up the software we'll be using today. Once you're logged in, navigate to the reporting or analytics section. Most platforms have a dashboard, and this is where you'll find an overview of your social media performance, likes, shares, comments, engagement, and more. Now, to export your report, find the export or download button, usually located in the top right or bottom of your analytics dashboard. This is where the magic happens. Click it and you'll be presented with a few options. CSV, Excel, or PDF are the most common. Choose the format that works best for your needs. I recommend PDF for easy sharing or CSV for in-depth analysis. Once you've selected your format, some platforms let you customize the date range. If you want weekly, monthly, or a custom time period, make sure you adjust it before hitting export. This will ensure you're getting the right data for the time frame you're focusing on. Click the export button, and within seconds, your social media report will be ready to download. You'll get a notification, or you'll see the file appear in your downloads folder, depending on the software you're using. But here's where I'm going to save you some time. If you've tried several of the popular tools out there, you might have run into limitations like poor data granularity or slow exporting speeds. I've tried a few myself, and trust me, the software we're using today is faster and more reliable than most. The best part? I've got an exclusive free trial for you to try it yourself. You can grab it through the link in the description below, just for viewers of this channel. One more tip before we wrap up. Always double check your report after exporting. Make sure all the key metrics are included and match what you expected. It's always a good idea to skim through your data once it's in the file format you've chosen to ensure accuracy. So, the key takeaway here is that exporting social media reports can be done in just a few clicks and in seconds. Use the export function to choose your desired format, select your date range, and get your data ready to use. With the right software, this process can be streamlined and headache-free. Finally, don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below. This will help you save even more time and get the most out of your social media reporting. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.